Here we go. Videotape
As we go.
of the destruction. What is it called out? Videotape all the branches that are falling down.
Oh, this
One tree. Look at that. That tree. Okay. This one. Videotape.
This is just our street.
Look at that one. From the right to the left. Right to the left. Right to the left. Don't move too much. That one over there.
I know.
But still, don't be shaking it too much.
The car is shaking.
No, I mean, don't be moving it left to right, left to right. Like, that fast.
The tree's on your side and I can get it.
Oh, look at this one. That tree in there. Get it? That is a huge tree.
I want to get the root.
Look at that. Can you see it?
Yeah.
You see the roots and everything? Look at that. If that fell on somebody's house, that would have crushed the house.
I know.
So huge. Let's see, there's more down here too.
Not as much. No, I think they picked everything up.
I know, they've been cutting them down. And this is 3 days after, so.
I know. I don't even know if they can. That's going to be hard to move.
There's some there. Let's see.
Generator.
Yeah, everybody's got generators going. There was one they cut down.
Daniela's
No,
house.
this is Daniela's house. Let's see what else we can get. Oh, there's some up here. That one over there, I don't know if you can see it because it's far away. But let's see, where are we going?
Oh, that one.
I don't know, there's some more down here. Oh, going down Webster, there was a lot. All these branches that are down. They cut them all and pulled them off to the side of the road, but there's some more right there. Ooh, that one. Those are all cut up already.
Yeah. We should just have Bill cut that one branch that's hanging from the tree. In the
That
backyard.
one fell down.
I would be so scared if a tree fell on our house. Especially the one in front. It would like crush it.
I know there was some over here yesterday because I came down here. I got on both sides of the road. All these branches, all those branches. These branches here. Whoop, I'm not hit that one. Go this way. All those branches there.
It would be so bad if all of these trees fell.
Look at that one.
Where?
Right there on that person's lawn. That one right there. Street. I can't even go down, look, tape down all the side streets. The street we're on. Here. There. It's crazy. Every street. I'm going to videotape while I'm driving. just straight out a lot too. Look at this. All this over here. There. Oh, look at this tree over here. It's like cracked in half. Look at that one. There's over there. A lot over there. Oh, wait.
Can we go to Best Buy at like 10 o'clock? Today's Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
Can we go to Best Buy at like 10 o'clock?
Okay, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Do you want me to do it?
Look at that tree.
What do you want me to do?
Like everywhere. Oh, look at down there. They even have that roped off. You can't even go down there.
No. There's trees, bro.
Oh, for this one. That one's still in the middle of the road.
I mean, I guess you can still go around. Depending on what kind of car you have.
All over there. It's like every tree is broken in half.
There's not one street we pass without a broken branch or tree.
I know. Look at this one. What's this one? Look at
Hey, maybe wrong.
that one's like cracked in half. I'm just getting tired of holding.
I said, do you want me to do it like 5 times?
That one.
Huh?
All that mess. That tree's like completely broken.
I know, but there's no. Wait, where are we going?
I guess station. Right, yes.
Oh.
Nothing there. Oh, and there's wires hanging in that one.
Really?
Oh, look at that one.
I know. I see it.
Get it?
Yep.
There. Oh, that's a mess.
You're going too fast. Caution tape around that house. Oh, that's part of their Halloween. Usually over there it's a mess.
I know. It's all wrong.
There's that Gulf gas station.
Oh, that's where I'm going.
Oh, okay. Alright. Is Oradell all messed up too? Down
It's like every street, almost every house had branches down, trees down. Come on, red light.
there. Yeah, I love my Yorkie.
Alright, let's see what's over here. Making a big circle.
We've been driving for 10 minutes.
Somewhere on that lawn. That's a lot. There's one. There's a few there. Oh, this almost drove right into that one. Wow. And this is nothing compared to Teaneck. When I was driving through Teaneck yesterday, it was like 50 times worse than this. Yeah.
I want to drive through Teaneck.
Oh, look, you can't even go down that street.
Can we drive through Teaneck?
Oh! Red. Get that one. Look at that. You see it?
Yep.
Holy smokes. Going down that street. That's crazy.
Is this?
Alright, stop. You're gonna hit the red button.